So today we are going to read a story called Too Many Dinosaurs. Let's look at the front cover. What do you see? Tell whoever you're reading the book to one thing that you see. This is the title, Too Many Dinosaurs. The author is the person who wrote the book, by Mercer's Mayer. Oh, I'm sorry, hold on. Okay, ready? This all started when I asked my mother if I can have a puppy. No, she said. Now go outside. Mr. Jerry was having a yard sale. Can you guess what I found? Let's look at the page. And I want you to tell whoever you're reading the book to a few things that you see. I see a guitar. What's something you see? A dinosaur egg. Is this real? I asked. Mr. Jerry said yes. So I gave him $1 and took it home. That night I was just about to go to sleep when I heard a noise. The egg was cracking. Look at that. I see an eyeball right there. It was a baby Triceratops. I hoped he'd stay quiet so Mom wouldn't notice. The next morning I heard a grunting outside the window. The baby dinosaur was ruining Mom's garden. I ran downstairs, but he was gone, and there was a hole in the fence. Look at the fence. There's a big hole. I had a feeling that my dinosaur had come this way. Why do you think the dinosaur came this way? What do you see? I see clothes on the floor. I see a cat up on the clothesline. And this lady jumped on the basket and she's yelling. And she's pointing this way. Then I found him. Oh no, what do you guys see going on? There's a Triceratops, and he's chasing, good, 2 dogs. I almost caught up to him when I ran into Mrs. Littlejohn. Why are you running around in pajamas, she asked. I'm chasing a dinosaur, I said. Now go and put on some clothes, she said. So I did. Before I went back out, I gave Mom a big hug. If I couldn't have a puppy, can I have a dinosaur, I asked. Mom laughed. If you could find a dinosaur, you can keep it. Maybe Mr. Jerry would know how to catch a dinosaur. What you need is a dinosaur horn, he said. It's just $1. Since I don't have another $1, Mr. Jerry let me own it to him. Let me owe it to him. Sorry, guys. At the park, I blew a horn as loud as I could. The dinosaur horn worked. Whoa! What do you guys see? Look in the sky. Tyrannosaurus Rex, I think. That's the only one I know. And that's a Triceratops. I don't know the other names of the dinosaurs. Sorry, guys. Too well. So the horn worked too well. Look what's going on here. And the police officer said, stop. Look what's going on here. All the dinosaurs are in his backyard. Uh-oh. What do you think's going on here? So we have a T-Rex and a Triceratops. From the looks of it, they don't get along. So what do you think is going to happen? I think they're going to start to fight. Let's see. Do something, said Mom. I blew the horn again. The dinosaurs began to fade. Look, they're fading away. Then they were gone. Mom looked mad. She looked really mad. Mom said, You need a puppy. That's it. You're getting a puppy. That's just what I wanted her to say. I never saw the baby dinosaur or the dinosaur horn again. Oh no, let's look at the picture. What's this? It's the dinosaur horn. And he blew it. Oh no. And look at what's popping up. It's good job, the dinosaurs. But now I have the best puppy in the whole world. Now he's so happy. The end. So after the book, you can take a quiz if you want. You could go back to the book and read it to your parents. And there's a cute quiz at the end. So you guys could take that if you want. I hope you enjoyed our read aloud.